Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another installment of our Mambo Talks, where we discuss what Mambo Merge is all about and provide you more insights into what's happening in this Mambo world. I'd like to introduce here Cynthia, one of the individuals here. You might have seen her. She does host our monthly webinars for office hours over at Mambo Merge, and she's very knowledgeable in the Mambo Merge world. So, Cynthia, would you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes, hi, I'm Cynthia. And as Jesse mentioned, you've probably recognized me from the webinars or even the recording of our webinars if you haven't attended one yet. I'm also a part of our technical support team, so I've already probably helped you if you've been getting some support from us from Mambo Merge. So we'll be going over Mambo Merge. Back to you, Jesse.
Awesome. Yes, and I am Jesse. You may have seen me as well. We do write a whole bunch of blogs. We cover a lot of stuff within the Salesforce ecosystem, and we find ways to try to connect with trailblazers and bring them the latest and greatest news in the Salesforce world. So first, before we get started, we did like to mention that we'd like you to like and subscribe if you like this video, or we'd like to have more coverage of this. We'd like to provide information that can help you make a smart and buying decision when it comes to any products and services. So feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll leave that information in the comments below. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This is not going to be like have to wait 5-10 minutes to kind of figure out what's going on. So we're going to put Cynthia in the spotlight here. She is very versatile and knowledgeable. So Cynthia, please, first question, can you let us or share with us what is Mambo Merge?
So Mambo Merge is a document generation app that's built into Salesforce. We're available on the App Exchange, and we're completely native. So Mambo Merge runs on as a Lightning Web Component, and it's right here on the page. It's really easy to install. We just go ahead and we can, instead of filling out manually or copying, pasting into our document, we've just created a document instantly. And we'll load up that preview in Salesforce org. It'll take a minute, but you'll see that I would have spent much longer than me talking to you guys, probably longer than 10 minutes to fill this out completely, double check, and make sure I was grabbing the right one for each line. So it saves time. It helps people generate documents, whether it's a docx file, PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel. Um, that's what we have Mambo Merge doing.
Okay, and we're back here. So, now that we kind of have an idea of what Mambo Merge is, and get some ideas in terms of like how it goes about and what would people need to do or use it for. Why Mambo Merge? I'm assuming there might be other apps out there in the App Exchange world. What makes Mambo Merge stand out?
Yeah, so something that makes Mambo Merge stand out is the first great option is that we don't charge per document. So you have your licenses, your users are set up to use Mambo Merge. You don't have to worry about 200 limit hitting. They can go and make as many documents till their heart's content. And it's really easy to install. There's no special app tab that you have to go to up top and go through several different features. It's really just this Lightning Web Component that we install on any page, any record page that you have. And then you're building routines to let the component know what buttons to display. And then another thing that's really great is whether you have 500 users in your org or only 5 or maybe even 1 user. You only have to purchase licenses for the people that are generating the document. You don't have to do a minimum of, 50 plus, whatever other document generations would be charging you normally. We don't have a limit. We don't have a minimum purchase on that. So if only one person in your 500 plus company needs to generate documents using this, you don't have to worry. We don't have to make you get everybody, just the ones that are going to be using it.
Awesome. Well, that sounds very interesting, and I'm pretty sure there might be some use cases out there that people will want to consider that being the case. Then this kind of leads me up to my next and final question here. What industries should consider Mambo Merge?
Really, any industry can use Mambo Merge, but we do tend to focus on finance, nonprofits, and healthcare. To give an example, our nonprofits, they tend to use it for acknowledgement thank you letters for when donations come in, making it a smoother, easier transaction for them to reach out and thank their donors and let them know about items that they need, such as a tax summary end of year for all the donations that they've given to their organization. Makes it easy to go into Salesforce, have Mambo Merge, grab all the related items that are needed, and generate that document that might grab more than one donation. So saving time on that. And then with healthcare, a great example is if you've gone to the doctor recently, they now like to give you a little summary of everything you've talked with your doctor, any prescriptions, your weight and blood pressure or something like that. Those tend to get wrapped up in a document that they give you at the end of your visit. And Mambo Merge can be used for that because you're, again, putting in your details into your Salesforce org. Why would you spend time to go and transplant it into a document to print out? You can save time by hitting the button with Mambo Merge. Document is ready and available to be printed out for your clients. And then finance, that's going to be invoices, quotes, the usual things that you would be doing. And really, what documents you're generating is really only limited to your imagination because, again, we use DocX, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint documents that we can generate.
And that being the time of the year again, with the tax season just around the corner
Yes.
here, and so obviously that's a great use case to kind of compare, and you can actually take advantage of as we speak right now. So this is available on the App Exchange, and we'll include the link on that if you want to consider. I believe there is a trial period that you can go ahead and use. The latest and greatest features for Mambo Merge. So feel free to check that out. That pretty much concludes our little segment here. We do want to let you know that if you do have any questions that you want us to go ahead and include these, or like to answer some questions directly, feel free to drop them in the comments below or email us. We'll provide all the information there below. But with that being said, thank you very much, Cynthia. And thank you folks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.